Shandong Baodian Electronics Technology Company Limited is a manufacturer of CNC machines in China. Choose from our range of over 50 different models of laser engraving and cutting machines, plasma cutting machines, water jet cutting machines, and CE certificated CNC routers. Using our own technology not only makes our machines unique, but also allows us to control costs, thus passing the saving on to you. Each month we can turn out up to 500 units in our factories. We have a strong research and design team with engineers whose experience more than 20 years. To meet the quality and precision expectation of retailers and users, we use spare parts from Italy, USA, German, Japan, and Taiwan, such as HSD spindle, Siemens controllers, servo, inverter, Hypertherm power supply, Becker vacuum pump, Yaskawa servo motor, SYNTEC and LNC control system, HIWIN rail. If you have technical issues or need spare parts, you can call our after-sales service team, available 24 hours, 7 days. Call today.
This is our professional international trading team. We can give you service in English, Russian, Spanish language. Our machines sell well in over 90 countries. We have professional workers, innovative spirit to make our customers be satisfied with our quality, and the service is our ultimate pursuit. Welcome your inquiry and visit.